Hello YouTube, how are you doing? As you saw before, I just got back from the range. It was something else. Some of you may have noticed, old habits die hard. It's empty, the lock is still on, I just got back from the range. Old habits die hard. You probably noticed I was holding it like a rifle. So of course what happens, but it was worth it. My first shotgun ever. Some of you know I was in the Army. I never shot it, we never used it in our unit. Just getting the patches ready. But I'll tell you, I emptied out that room so fast. Just putting the locks aside. Let me check the angle. Okay, it's not too bad. So, empty, well used, not as dirty as I thought. Then again, it's slugged. So, safe. Unscrew the cap. Under control, not to break the threads. A friend of mine did that pretty quick and he already ruined his. So he's shooting it like this. I'm going to try and do this in frame. It's still a bit hot. I'll try and do it quick. That's very hot. And there you go. So let's see. Not that dirty. The camera was off, but a bit after I shot, the guy asked me if I was shooting bird shot or slugs, and I said slugs. And he said it'll be easier to clean, and he was right. That shine is the grease that's from the factory. It's not too bad. Okay, the handguard is warm, the barrel is still hot, so I don't know if I should be putting any bore cleaner in there yet. It's very dirty. Yeah, that's dirty. One of the main reasons why I bought this one, the 14-inch barrel, is purely because of this. Actually, I could have gotten away with just yeah. Because as you can tell, these things aren't cheap. So this is the attachment for the big bore patch holder. I guess I'll soak this right away. I'll be doing it off camera because my garbage bin is over here. My neighbor bought a Harley. Okay, so I'll let that soak a bit while I get my patches ready. A nice sound. He paid $13,000 for it, used. A good deal. And I think I got the wrong patches too. Not much of a patch. Yeah, it's the wrong patch. Well, this might take a while, but I think you get the idea. Setting it up is the reverse of how I took it apart. My shoulder is sore. Was it worth it? Yes. Very worth it. And I'm glad I didn't clean the grease, the factory grease off, because it's still a bit shinier. As you see, it's not that dirty. I'm wondering if birdshot is the recoil is less. Let me know. So, we're now Sunday. Happy weekend. I'm glad you can come with me. Enjoy the trip. I won't bother filming the rest.